Okay, this is JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network reporting live. We're now in the 3D printing group area. And here you can see all sorts of 3D printing machines. And look at all the different colored plastic threads. Next to VR, I think this is the hottest area. Every single color. We'll show you some other 3D companies and what they're doing. Look at this, body parts. She's amazing. Oh, I'm sorry. Hopefully you can see the and some of the other things you can do. Gyrocopters. Sweet. Oh my God, look at the city. Again, what we noticed is we know they've been able to do plastics forever, but now they're doing 32 different types of metal.
$100,000, so paying for like $500 to visualize the map that we just created.
Let me show you. This looks a little busy, but let me show you all the 3D modeling for parts of the human body. This is white clouds. Oh my gosh, there's even a skull with the eye sockets, a foot, hips. Here, I'll let you go in just real close to show you the scale and the detail. What we also saw was using this to practice surgeries.
You can get on the internet and order a model for $10.
So here I wanted to show you what they were doing in other areas. So they have human figures
The project
doing everything like it's almost like porcelain.
No. That's all right.
Even a 3D print of a sneaker in a home.
It's a big project.
These little things here, in fact,
Yeah, it's an industrial.
UK, this is companies in England.
So that gives you an idea. Let's go take a look at some other companies. There's your next Halloween costume, or if you're if you're fantasy
How do you
playing,
like it?
you're fantasy playing Phantom of the Opera with your wife.
Yeah.
But now I think there's 32 different plastics and
Yeah, we've been
Only
PLA,
one.
but based on PLA.
okay. And now I understand there's 38 different metals they can do now.
Yeah, it's crazy stuff.
Crazy.
Huh?
As long as they get the stuff ready before my heart gives out and I can use it later. Okay, and here you go. It's kid-friendly 3D printer. You might as well get them used to it now and early because this is technology that will be very pervasive in their world. Digital lock. Let's show you what Saijan is doing. Shit, I'm live. So there's the different 3D filament.
Yeah,
What we use?
different materials or 3D filament.
And you can see the level of detail,
Detail?
even the size of your tooth.
Yeah.
And it's all in a package of this size.
Yeah.
Amazing, and you can do it right from USB.
Also can use the computer.
Computer, right,
Yeah,
direct
yeah,
to. Thank you. Let's show you all the different products. And if you want to go industrial size, look at the size of this puppy. And they're doing steering wheels on this one, so I think you ought to come and take a look at this booth. It's Itamase's technology. And this is the propeller. And this steering wheel. Outstanding work. There you go. Good fortune, kitty. Look at the size and the scope of these things and what they're printing. Yep, you're right. It just gets getting better and better and smaller and smaller. Now with the 34 different metals. Little battery-powered fish. Let's show you some other ones. Additive manufacturing. And she is not 3D printed. She's actually alive.
How do you know? 30%.
She was very good and did very well. Thank you. So make sure you stop by this booth and check out all their technology. And also you can say hello to their very attractive model. And she's going to ride like hell. And it must be nice to get paid to do your exercise all in one day. Thank you.
I can eat whatever.
Kind of still hanging with my ex-girlfriend. We were dating, but we were having out together. So
And again,
I was working on some other projects, so I was never available.
the Chinese
She was never available when I was. I'm like, yeah, I'll be
think of goodwill.
She's like, yeah, right. She's like, I'm not doing it. So,
Honor cookie.
so we never met.
So I want you to come and take a look at all this. And let me show you how it's integrated and you can put into blocks. We'll go over and take a look at the salt too. Even micro scanning and micro. Look at this, it's scanning it and then it'll produce it. Incredible. Little tiny bears. So make sure you stop by Flux's booth. Got great products. Liz Bots. Hang 10.
There's always something like this.
The 3D parts are what's going to be the body parts of what's going to be the hottest thing.
Have an excellent customer support and
We'll show you a couple more. Let's go over on this side. Micro manufacturing, 3D printers. We were already over in Tacoma. This seems to be fascinating. Where you can actually 3D print with a pen. Look at the stuff that you can do. Good, somebody knows what the hell they're doing. Let me show you what it looks like when a pro does it. Amazing, 3D prototype right off the top. Luca, rough job, huh? You get to play all day and make what you want to make. Look at the minutia and the detail. It gives you a whole different dimension, and not only that, a whole new thing of art that you can go ahead and sell these things.
Yes, I'm so more a CAD designer. I draw these cars and then I can put them into 3D models. That's nice.
We used to do that wireframe on a computer. It took forever. Thanks. Let's see if there's any other one we can show you real quick. Cerberus robot. I think we showed you this one already, but we'll take another look at it. Great technology, faster, quicker, smaller.
No, it's about 20.
And you can make whatever you want. Oops, shit. Does that break everything?
It really does. We can talk about it.
Nothing like doing it on live TV, right?
Right. Yeah, I first started doing this yesterday. I was afraid to do it at first. But once I got used to it, I was like, oh, this ain't so bad.
It's amazing. It's a whole new art form, and you can even sell the product.
Right.
Let's show you Forms Labs. Excuse me. With robotics. .3D printing, color. Windmill, puzzles. Walls. Let's show you some more over here. Robotics. Put them all together. Wanted to show you all this. Hi, live TV. Say hello in your native language.
Welcome to XYZ Printing, the most affordable desktop 3D printer.
I saw it so far.
For $229. Yeah.
$229.
Yep.
Do you know how to say something in your native language?
Oh, ni hao, ni hao.
Okay, everybody says the same one. It's simple. Ni hao, even I got that one down. Make sure you stop by their booth. Look at all the different types of colors and twists and puzzles and cars and fire trucks. Great pricing. Robots. And guess this, it's only $2.99. Look at this, a movable robot. I should say transformer. I'm trying to get that. And again, the same thing where you could do it with a wire pen.
What if instead of waiting for something loading, you put
Different types of castles. Replaceable art, rings, jewelry, plastics.
I think that's the problem.
Whoop, let's show you one more. Look at the level of this printing and the colors. Be able to change your lenses, frames wherever you want to. Design your own shoes. Make your own monkey wrench. Thank you.
a can-do attitude and improvising have been the keys to progress. Financial necessity for parents because other options such as a prosthetic hand and
Make your own sushi.
Yeah, sushi. This machine, queen.
$4.49. Jesus. Affordable for every household now. Get your kids into this early because this is what they're going to be dealing with. Great price point. Thank you. I consider this to be one of the better products that's really taken off this year. You want a giant transformer, your own little mechanical car, and that's XYZ printing. A drone, a guitar, and we'll get you in the picture again. Thanks. So that's it for the 3D printing. And this is Florence Labs. And if we can slide by in 1 second, they're shooting live, and we'll just show you. Comes out of the box, ready to go. With the printer ink. Replacement arms and limbs.
Is there anything else that I should know about?
Yeah, so the ceramic, so as a quality context, it's all same.
Let's go over here, we'll show you one more.
So if you actually look, this is all real time. We use this for physical therapy, this is an example of it for VR gaming, for animation.
Are those like 9-degree of freedom sensors on there, or what it is?
Yeah, I mean, it's the full gyroscope, magnetometer, accelerometer, and then we're smart about how we use it. We have a pair of pants to go with it too, so you can basically do the full range of motion anyone would do.
Nice. Amazing. He's even using it for physical therapy. Okay, we're going to sign off for now, and we'll move on to the next one, which is probably home. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Follow us on YouTube. And finally, I hear from my friend, Mr. Tommy. We're having fun here.
You have a couple different sizes, right? Or a couple different.
I think we need to get one of these so we can print out razor blades and
I don't know why.
you can make wine bottles and put good wine in it and sell it. So we're going to move on now from 3D printing into the home section. So stay with us. We're broadcasting all week. And hello to my great friend, Tommy.